Hey, Jeff Miller here with Traxstech today. Just wanted to go over our vertical tree, show you what some of the features and options are so that you can learn to maximize your versatility with it. So here we are, we're out fishing today, and we run a 4-unit vertical tree, which has 4 rod holders on our standard tree. We make a 2, a 3, and a 4 unit. And we run the 4 for one main specific reason. We're out salmon fishing today, and we're running 3 copper rods off this. But at the same time, if we need to go offshore and do a steelhead program, we can actually add our 4th rod in here and have 4 planer boards off to the side of this boat set up on each side, along with a couple slide divers. So it gives us the versatility of a real good mix on there. Or if we're doing brown trout fishing in the springtime, walleye fishing, we can run 3, 4 planer boards off each side. And the cool thing about a vertical tree, we can actually take our cap off the top and we can add another rod holder to it. So gives us a lot of versatility in how many planer boards we want to fish on there. And you can see on this one, we've taken our cap off, we put a couple of beverage holders here on the back side. So when we're standing on the boat, we're having our coffee in the morning, we've got a place to drop our beverage right inside there if the rod goes off, and we can grab it up out of there. Also, our rod holders are sold individually for this tree. So when we take the cap off, we can take an additional rod holder, slide it right down the back side of the inside of our slot that we have on here, and that can be angled forward for a net holder. So we do a lot of things with a tree that really helps clean your boat up, and a vertical tree helps keep all your rod tips way up in the air as you see them on here. It keeps the planer boards, the nose of the board pulling real good through the water, and every rod is separated so much that when you're turning, you literally almost can turn on a dime, and these rods, all the lines go straight off the back of the boat, and the line coming from our fishing rods never touch or tangle. So that's really what a vertical tree does for us, is allows the planer boards to track through the water, allows us not to get tangles, and allows us to set a lot more rods further forward on our boat, so then we can go into running dipsy divers and jet divers and downriggers and other things along the side of the wall. So that's just a quick explanation on how a vertical tree works for us.